Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to place a background picture for your app in Teta. It's very simple. All you have to do is use the Stack widget. More specifically, let's insert this widget. Next, let's add the image widget to be able to use it as a background. Let's now set the picture's height to max. This way, our picture's height will match the one of our display. At this point, let's add a container as our Stack's second child. As we have done previously for the picture, we will set the height to max here as well. Next, let's set our container's color to none instead of solid. By doing so, it's as if we have returned to our starting point. As if we still haven't added anything yet, and the first node is simply a container. From here on out, we can add a safe area and maybe a column as well to insert our widgets at the center of our screen. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!